What's up, guys? This is Matt with That Jeep Adventure, and today I'm going to show you an Amazon purchase that I am extremely excited about. I'm going to get so much use out of this on the trail. What is it? What's in the bag? I'll show you. Oh man, it looks just as good as I hoped. Woo woo! That's right. Let's get it to focus here. A whistle tip. This little gem was less than $5 on Amazon, and this is going to be my new favorite best friend on the trail. So, take it out of the box, and we're going to try it out on the Jeep real quick so I know how it works whenever I have to deploy it in a quick situation. So, here we go. Let's test it out. Alright, for install, it says you just spread these flanges apart and shove it in the exhaust pipe. That ought to be easy enough. Alright, let's open it up. It's actually pretty durable. A whole lot better than I expected. Oh man. Alright, let's try it. It actually fits pretty good. We're going to see if it works. Alright. It definitely worked for a second. I don't know if you heard it, but it definitely worked for a second. It just blew it out of the end of the exhaust. So I'm gonna try it again, but I heard it for a second and it was gonna be pretty loud, it sounds like. Alright, let's try that. I think you can hear that it's working. It sounds like an angry cricket. Alright. Alright, so I got to test out the whistle tip. Clearly it works really good. A whole lot better than I expected, honestly. So again, one of the best purchases I have ever made on Amazon. Less than $5, and it's going to be an endless amount of fun. So follow That Jeep Adventure on Instagram and subscribe to the channel on YouTube, because I will definitely be using this on the trail and putting it in some of the videos. So check it out. So subscribe to the channel, and again, Instagram, Facebook, all that. Check it out.